Isa nimbolo pinakatali mai kito sa lisum talmingo na ulnibanua o Maunakea. Kito sa sirusum tali mai dono pono rebinaka kito na kaipita takani na itamba ni sana kito sa na ira pinakatanga mo warta kaya ni na view kito chukinango sa rebinaka dina rakbinaka na pono kito chukinango bulu binaka to masimba selawa kikimni na sar-sar chukumai ede na hotel chukiraya kaya rawai tiko kino ira na astronomers ko kito sali sa tumat kiri na ulni banua katiko talangai raya na vista center ko kito may bakadingo kina na nito dampe mai iyo kondo na pono rere binaka tolo bina Lucy na koibalu arnayandra mama iya bulat ako seni beba kita sama cik talanggo hi Abby aloha Abby, this is your area, this is we in Maunakea. Lovely to hear from you. Yes, it's a beautiful day here in Maunakea. I took some really nice photos up at the domes. People were very nice to us, which is lovely. And yeah, so we can see the Vista Center. So down below there. So we will be going back down to acclimatize for another half an hour before we go back down to the bottom of the mountain. So Mbulibinaka Polini Tima Kautonga. Yeah, nice to hear from you, Abby, and congratulations for completing your studies. Well done. Yes, I'll be just taking some alive as we drive down the mountain. Yes, so it's a beautiful day. Yeah, Mbulibinaka, everyone. Kesa, Ruti, Vakula. Yes, indeed, Tori Walker. It's a beautiful view. So you can see the Vista Center way down there. Yeah, so we were up there 14,000 feet above sea level. So it's way up there. So here, so you can see some evidence of volcanic activity that took place millions of years ago. So we're very fortunate to be here today to witness the beauty of creation and the beauty of the flowers and the grass and the wind as well as the sun. Yeah. So that's Mauna Loa behind, in front of there. That's Mauna Loa, the second highest mountain in Hawaii. Yeah. Kesa. This is the driver. Thanks to the driver for driving us nicely. Yeah, so we can be able to come back in one piece. Yeah. So thank you to everybody watching this live. So we came back safely. It was so beautiful up there. There was no network actually. There was no network, so we couldn't do any live. Only where I stopped, that's where everything stopped. Yeah, so here we are. So it's beautiful view, different mountains. You can see the evidence of volcanic activity. So if you have a chance to come to Hawaii, so please come to the Big Island. Come to the Big Island and come to Hilo, where we are. This is the best part of Hawaii is Hilo. And yeah, so thank you for joining us on this amazing journey. So just showing you the different rocks, different rock forms. You're welcome, Tori. Yeah, just so wonderful. And such a blessing to be able to eyewitness, right? This beautiful, tallest mountain in the world. So see, now we can see trees down here. But when we were up in the mountains, we couldn't find any tree at all. None.
No grass.
Not even a little tuft of grass. Yeah, just rocks and dust. So here we are. Yes. So everybody who wants to visit Hawaii, make sure you come and come to the Big Island. And when you, it is beautiful. Yeah. After you have some nice romantic time in Waikiki, then you can come over to the Big Island. Yeah. So yes, I'm very pleased that we came back safely. We came back in one piece, so thank the Lord and thanks to our driver. He's very, very patient and very, very calm. Yeah. Okay, put back your glasses, sir, before we go through the bushes and roll down the mountain. Bula Rossi ma wipi lolam chikanon driver bikemni katukanon driver uro
yes now.
So maybe if you can go slowly there. I'll just this is what we kind of learn, those of us who took geography. I've just asked the driver if he can stop the car so you can see the different layers. See the different layers, and you can see the level of erosion. And this is what we do in archaeology and geology, where we'll be able to see the stratigraphy. So the stratigraphy is the word that is applied to different layers, the layers of soil. Most of the time when we excavate, we can be able to see these layers of soil. And there you can see some close-up. Yeah, just for you to kind of appreciate weathering. That's another word that we often use, weathering. So you can see the changing formation of the rocks because of the blowing of the wind and the exposure to the sun and the elements. Yeah, so there you go. So thank you so much for listening in. So here again, so another evidence of the layers of stratigraphy and the exposure of land. So this can be applied in any parts of the world, but more so here in Maunakea, because it's high elevation, and therefore the strength of the wind, yeah, can actually scrape off a lot of the soil, as you can see there. Yeah, so a lot of the rocks have created sand, and then sand will turn into soil. So very interesting, yeah, when you kind of learn and appreciate about sedimentation and soil, rock formation, soil composition, all those kind of words that we learn in school. Samboyanga tunabuli. Sebada ba Rossi? Yeah. So now we are back to, slow down, we're back to 1,000 feet. So now we're back to 1,000 feet and going back to the visitor center for us to complete the rest of our journey and get acclimatized to the lower weather that we are experiencing. Yeah. So thank you so much for joining in. We're really appreciative of you all.
Keep everything rolling. Just keep it rolling. Right.
So, right. So remember, this is the visitor center that we saw from up there. So it was a big height, yeah, and elevation. Yeah, so we're really glad that we're here. So this is a visitor center that we will be resting again before we head down. So this is our ranger. Yeah. Yeah. Where will
This is America. We follow the rules of engagement.
Bula Mafi. So the road is really good quality, and this is one of the visiting center that we came to. Yeah, so the people here were very nice. The staff They ask us questions, not really wanting to know too much about us, but just wanted to make sure that we're okay, that we've drunk enough water, that we are strong enough, we have enough warm clothes. So yeah, this is really nice to see that we can be able to, this is a visitor center, that we are able to be well looked after. Yeah, so this is the visitor center where we'll be resting for another half an hour to acclimatize ourselves. So that's the tallest mountain. That's where we were further up, and now we're back again down to where we started. So yeah, it's really nice to have accommodation. There's a set of buildings there. It's like a hotel, Maunakea hotel, where most of the astronomers, some of them we met up there. We were able to talk to them. They said hi. They were curious about us. So that was really awesome. Yeah. So that's my life for now. I will be doing another update before we head down to Hilo. Pinakava levu mwa demanda.